And welcome to Cats or Liquid. Start. Boom one. Boom one. Just loading. Push up. Okay, technically that's jump, but I already know. What's down? Oh, that's fast. Hold up to climb. Okay, that makes sense. How am I gonna? Oh wait, no. You just have to. Yeah, I already know. Then yeah. Jump. Her owner started acting weird and unlocked her in here. But did I miss something in the back? I don't know the story. No, never mind. I like the war one. It's more faster, but the thing is you can't climb. Let me just get up, cat, get up. She wasn't exactly sure why he was acting like that. Okay, I can store these. I'm just gonna. Hey, wow, that's awesome. Okay. So what's this? Okay, I think this is a checkpoint. He said that the cat reminded him of someone. Pew. Climb water again. She couldn't remember who. Okay. What's this? As soon as she entered the room, she noticed a familiar triangle. But why did I do that? I specifically already knew it's gonna hurt me, so why did I come into it instantly? Why? I just wanted to test it at the same time, so jump. She didn't like them. Oh the heck! My game. Those things hurt her. Yeah, I probably already know. Oh, so this is a checkpoint. Okay. Wait, is it actually a checkpoint? I want to know. Wait. Is it a checkpoint? The only way to know is by dying. So, yeah, it is a checkpoint. Get up! Get up! No! Why can't you just... This is... Just come on. Water, get down. Get down. Get up. What? No. Why is it hard? Not just door. Boing. Get up. Now this. See, notice how the entire floor was covered with the stones triangles. What do you mean? Why did I do that? She certainly didn't want to fall down there. Okay. I go. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Just get up. Oh my! Just go into here. There. Boom, boom. Aye! What the heck? What happened? I jumped. Then I just jumped. Get up, down, water flow. I just gotta jump. Aye. Come on. So now these are just rotating. Aye! You didn't warn me about that one. Get up. Yes, finally checkpoint. Get up this one. Get up this one. And get... No! Just gotta wait. No! What the heck? No! Aye. Dang it. Just get up here. Get up here, this one. Get up this one. I did it. Yeah, I did it. Now just push all of these on. Goodbye. What? What? Hey, what's the storyline here? What is the storyline? No, it's not. Wait, this is like the level, but it's now bigger now. How do I get up? Hey, it's my thing. It's the portal. You get up here. The song's good. Just turn it up. Huh. This is very good. I'm also wearing earphones. So yeah. What the heck? Why can't I? Why can't I? Okay, never mind. No, no. Just get up. Get here, jump, and then just wall here so I can go down. Yeah, I was supposed to get wall. Jump here, jump here, jump here, jump here, jump here. I kinda know why it's called cats are liquid, because liquid room seem to be repeating itself. Okay. Down you go. Get up here. Okay, now I think the sound is just too loud. Kind of. What? Kind of what? Why can't I get up? What do I have to swallow liquid my air? So, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Boom. Yeah. Ah, dang it. I lost one life. I can't do anything. Just jump here. Jump here. That's fast. Jump here. Jump here. It was similar, but different. Jump here. Hey, checkpoint. Finally, something different. Okay. Let me just destroy all of these first. This is really satisfying. Ah, what the heck? Wait, what happens if I just... Goodbye. Yeah. Yes, Porter. She saw something in the distance. Something that moved. I mean, I can't destroy it anymore, so... Oh, never mind. I can still destroy it. Just... She looked at the small orange rectangle going back and forth. No, no, no! Just in the hole. It disappeared when she jumped on it. What? Let me see. Oh, it does! What happens if I touch it? Ah, dang it. Just boom. I'm not gonna stay that guy. Just die. Just die. Why? Oh my! I almost died. Just liquid out. Now just get up here. You. Wow, I barely touched him. I don't know why I need. Oh my! Yeah. I totally need a checkpoint. Why did I go into the hole immediately? Get out. Why are these things a thing? I forgot about them. No, oh, never mind. I cursed them. I cursed them. I lost 2 lives already. What? This is so satisfying. Just watching them being destroyed. It's so fast satisfying. Destroy! Being this water one is really good. Just die. Oh, never mind. You won't die. Oh my! Now I have to do everything again because I died from that thing. I thought they couldn't do anything, but never mind. They can. What? You. Get up here. Oh my! I'm not touching these anymore. What the heck? Get up here. Come on. Get up here. And yes, finally. She saw the ocean of orange triangles. Oh wait, what are those? And we're scared. Can I just... Wait. Captain. Well, never mind. I didn't. Just go down. Go down. Go down. Oh, wait, no, I can just do this. Aye! Thank you for the checkpoint. Get up. Get up. Get up. Why is it so hard to control this? Get out. Get out. Get out. Why can't I get up? Why can't I get up? Why can't I get up? You know, I'm just climbing these. That's how you get up. Destroy. Water. Aye. That's revenge for killing me last time. Get up. Get up. You know, I'm just gonna... Never mind, I'm not getting up. Pew. Get down. Yeah. This room is a little bit weird as it went horizontally. Yeah, you're right. Water. Boing. This is awesome just doing this. No, get me back. Boing. Boing. This is awesome. I only have one more life, but I don't even care. Ha! Take that. Why can't I just... Yeah! No! Dang it, I gotta restart from this. Yay. Oh, never mind. One life again. I don't even care. I just want to play this. Oh my... No. Revenge. That's not revenge. Why did you do that? I don't know. Maybe the next one would go vertically. Probably. Yep. You know, that she was correct. No, Okay. The one who descended must have won out of tears. Yeah, that makes sense. Dang it. No, Why do you think this is just the same level? I only have one more life. No! Why? Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. No! Why? Why I didn't even... I was climbing. I'm just gonna push this all out. Get up this. No! I can't waste any more lives in the first level ground. Well, not. How did I not get... Get up. Get up here. Jump here. Yes! No, come on. Get up here and get up here. No, get out. Yes. I passed that one. That was good. That felt nice. Dang it, what the heck? Why is this so hard? No, I only have one more life. No. The own things were jumping. It's already been 14 minutes. Wow, that was new. Okay. Let me just... I'm kind of weird. Yeah, you're kind of white. No, get out. I barely even touched it. Wow. Being the water thing is really good. You can't really touch anything with it because you're too small. Dang it, get out, blocks. And now get up. Just get up. I might end this when... I'm gonna end this when I'm finished with this level. And ocean. Yay! What the heck? Surely there's... Oh, that's stuck. The ball's stuck. Meh. I only have one more life. I gotta be careful now. So now I'm. Oh, what the heck is this? Can I go back? Let me jump here. Aye! Ah! Why did you decide to stay in here? Aye! Dang it! Give me a checkpoint or something. It was just it's on the other side. Dang it, it's on the other side. Why is it everything black and I'm the only light? No, dang it! What the heck is this? What the heck is this? Why did you decide to stay? I did not sign up. I did not sign up to stay here. I did not decide to stay here. What are you talking about? This isn't going to help. I know! Get up. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get here. Oh, what the heck is that? Doing this will only make it worse. Yeah, probably. Maybe. I don't know. Ow! Dang it! Oh, what's this? The girl's things. Well, you're right. Ah! Well, I'm gonna end it here. It's already been 16 minutes. But I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna end it here for, I'm gonna end it here because I think this is the second room. Because the color changed. So I'm gonna end the video here, and I'll continue this game in the next video. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and yeah, bye, goodbye.